What's up people, welcome to Agarwal Bros. I am Akshat and in today's video I am gonna tell you a super cool way to earn easy money online. So watch this video very closely. If you're new to my channel, then please browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I post videos regarding how to make money online, how you can make money with TikTok by doing just 30 seconds of work through YouTube, through copy paste work, etc. So this just browse through my channel, and if you like the content, then please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So let's head over to the method. In this method I'm gonna tell you a way through which you can do your keyword research, and then I'm gonna tell you a way through which you can earn money through that research. So first of all, let's head over to YouTube. Okay, now if you head over to search term and you write something like, you know, you write Pokemon for example. So you can see Pokemon new episodes, Pokemon movies in Hindi. All these are searchable terms. Now, if you are thinking that, we know about this, a lot of YouTubers have told about this stuff, then please hang on. I'm gonna tell you something new which you may not have seen in other YouTube channels. So just bear with me and watch this video till the very end, because I'm gonna give very cool ideas. So you can see I write Pokemon and I can see different kind of results. And if you're wondering how am I able to get this 9140 monthly searches and different this kind of data, for this you need to have a tool called Keywords Everywhere. This tool is 100% free and it can be downloaded and added as an extension to your Chrome. So you can go and download Keywords Everywhere, and then after downloading it you will be able to get these search results. Okay, so this is one thing. So this is a thing which most YouTubers tell, that this is the way through which you can get keyword ideas. Now I'm gonna tell you something different. Say if you want to make a video and you are searching for different ideas, then what you should do is, say for example you want to make a how-to video, so you write how to, then take your backspace key and travel before how, put an underscore and put a space. So when you do that you get different kind of ideas. So for example you get how to pronounce, funny how to videos, shallow Lady Gaga how to TikTok, how to Billie Eilish, how to be Ariana Grande, how to Lil Pump, how to Alan Walker. So different types of videos. You can just do this. You can and uh, just remember to write your word first, then come up here and put underscore and then put space. For some reason, you know it is not working in straightforward manner. For example, if you put underscore, then you put space, then you put how to, so it's working. It produces different results, and in some computers, in some systems it does not give even that. In my computer it is giving different results from the one which I showed you. So you can try both ways and try out different ideas. So this is a really cool way of generating ideas. Another thing which you should do is, one second. So another thing which you can do is put review here. This is also another popular topic, popular keyword research method. Put review, put underscore and then put space. So you can see Rayan's Toys review, Elon Musk meme review, Captain Marvel review, and different kind of reviews. Now what you do is you go before this underscore, type in A. So it will bring up search results for things starting with A. So you can see A50 reviews, AirPods review, Aquaman review, Area movie review, Assassin's Creed Odyssey review, and similarly you can do with different alphabets. So if you put in B, you will get all these ideas. Then you can do it with C. Okay, Cuphead review, Curology review, different reviews. And another thing which you can do is, let's say if you take this A review and you take one of these, say for example you select this one, AirPods review, and you go over to Google. Okay, you go over to Google. So you come over to Google and write down AirPods review. Then you need to come at the bottom of your Google page and you will see alternative search ideas. So you can see Apple AirPods review 2018, AirPods review running, AirPods 2, AirPods alternative, etc, etc. So you can see the search volume per month of these different keywords. You need to pick up that keyword which has a keyword volume of less than 200 searches per month. So this AirPods alternative fits the criteria. It would be a good candidate for a video. So you can make a video on AirPods alternative, and you can just post that on YouTube. There's a good chance that you will rank for that particular video. Then what you can do is you can head over to Amazon and find some AirPods and then put a link to those AirPods in your Amazon in your AirPods alternative video. So you can become an Amazon affiliate and you can earn commissions. So this is a way through which you can earn easy commissions. These videos with lower search volumes get ranked very easily. Another term you can target is AirPods review running. It shows 0 monthly searches, but actually it's not 0. It is somewhere around 50-60. But these people who search for these things, AirPods alternatives or AirPods review running, are the people who are on the verge of buying. So they are better, they are more likely to convert. So that's why there's a greater chance of conversion and of you earning good money. So you can just try different things on YouTube. Just come over to YouTube and try the method which I told you to research keywords. Just put an underscore and space before how to or before review, and then before underscore put your alphabet. You can search with different alphabets. You can try with A, then you can move up to Z alphabet. So this is how you can get various keyword ideas. Then after checking on YouTube, head over to Google and find out the alternatives. But before doing all of this, remember to install this little keyword tool here, which is known as Keywords Everywhere. It will really help you in your analysis. So after that analysis, when you decide the keyword for your video, you can make a video on that keyword and start promoting your Amazon affiliate Amazon product. Become an Amazon affiliate and start earning commissions right away. So this was my today's video. I really hope that you liked the video, and so if you like the content in this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.